Hey guys, what's up? I'm kinda outside, so it may just be noisy. Um, I finally finished the. Wait, let me check. I finally finished the Jamal Murray 102 overall by grinding the season. It's actually the cheapest way to earn carrots. So let's check it out. Let's go, Jamal Murray. There you go. Finally, I got some 100 overall player. Let's look at the stats. It's 97 overall, 97, 97 strength, speed, agility, 102 mid range, 103 points, 101 inside paint, 100 dunk, 101 dribbling, 101 contested shot, 103 contested shot, and 98 passing. This is so much better than my Baron Davis, hopefully. But I'm actually still not satisfied by this since I still need to get the chick. Is that the chocolate chip or what do you call that? Let's take a look here. Still have 4 days and 9 hours to get 86,000, which seems impossible. The marshmallow chick seems impossible, especially I don't have the coins to buy the daily carrots. The carrots here are a big factor. While it's loading, I'll just give out a shout out to Bong Wala. He's he has a he'll be having his birthday on April 27. Bong Wala from Davao. Happy birthday, bro. Why is the game loading so slow right now? Oh, here it is. If you have the coins, purchase the baby carrots 5 times every day. In the long run, this will be a lifesaver. And I still don't know how to earn coins since everybody has very high level overall players. Nobody is interested to buy the 90 to 94 in the auction house. So let's check our team. Can you finally get the 101 overall? Let's go, man. Oh, yeah, finally got 101 overall. Oh yeah, I also got the finished the Easter egg hunt. This is the bonus Mr. Hopstep gives. Plus 4, plus 5, plus 8 on speed depends on the match players you get, and he also gives coins, which is a good a good boost. What did I read it right? 80 overall. And besides the Mr. Hop step, you also get the Court Spring, which adds 5% to carrots and plus 2 SWC. What's SWC? Anyway, I'll just look at that later. Names here. SWC. Oh, scoring with contact plus 2. Uh, I've already posted on how to finish the Easter egg hunt, you still have 4 more days and 9 hours, so that's a total of 5 days. You can still finish that if you started it now, since it needs 5 days for each egg to come out. Oh, did you were you able to watch last night's uh, Trailblazers and the Oklahoma Thunder game? And Damian Lillard was awesome. That shot is one for the books. What else can we do right here? Oh yeah, let's open the Elite Spring Basket. I was already able to save up 25 jelly beans, but I don't think I'll be able to save more. Just hoping I get something good here, but I'm not expecting that much. Gucci Butler Chocolate Bunny. I've already finished the 100 overall Robert Worry, so with I think 5 or 6 a week. Actually 6 days to get 80. This I'm doubting already, so I'll just let things flow for him. Do you guys think Jermaine O'Neal and Richard Jefferson Game of the Week players are good? I'm still saving up for my elite tokens, but I think I can. I'm just waiting for the right guy. Oh, they have a new boost or bus pack. We the highest you can get here, I think, it's a Sean Kemp. So let's try a few packs here for you guys. I hope it's not a jelly bean. 1, 2, 3, go! Let's try 2 more. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, 3, 2, 1. The last one. I think Sean Kemp is a power forward, and I'm quite satisfied with my lineup of Dirk and Kuzma. So I mean not just. It's not really that exciting for me. Last one. 3, 2, 1. Jelly beans. Jelly beans everywhere. Jelly beans for everyone. 5. Oh, 5. I still have 5 more days. No, I still have 4 more days. Oh yeah, 5 more days to get the jelly bean pack every day. Jelly bean pack every day. So I can still open one more by the end of the campaign. 4 days. I think the computation is wrong, but uh, okay for you guys. Let's just open everything. And hope we get at least one. I heard a lot of people were able to get the Sean Kemp before the maintenance. Probably it has a higher rate of pulling, and EA changed it back. So good for them, and I wish you good luck if you're planning to open the packs up also. I'm quite surprised with the number of views also with my last video. It reached almost 2,000, 1,800 views, and I got more than 10 subscribers just yesterday. So thank you guys for subscribing and trying my channel. But with almost 2,000 views. I only got 20 likes. So come on, guys, hit that thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. It would do me much if you'd like my videos, especially if it helped you guys. But I never got any Jollibee or any player from elite player from that pack opening. Sad, but it is what it is. 10. This for sure I'll be able to get another elite basket, spring basket by the end of the campaign. There it is, guys. So I hope you enjoyed my video and peace out. Please subscribe if you're new. Bye. Thanks.